JeaSnn CNC parts, unveiling the secrets from design to production of precision machine parts. JeaSnn Hardware, with over 20 years of experience in precision hardware parts manufacturing, offers comprehensive services from design to production. Our products include precision CNC machining parts, precision shafts, custom screws, etc., supporting a variety of materials and custom requirements. Utilizing advanced international ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality systems to ensure that every product meets high standards. JeaSnn Hardware, your ideal partner.